Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Learn Easy with Shabana. Today we are going to solve the most toughest and most frequently asked linear inequation for ICSE class 10th. If you can solve these questions, the board exam can't trouble you. Remember, this chapter is not difficult, but carelessness with signs can cost marks. Now, these are the golden rules you must remember. Remove the brackets first. Take all x terms on one side, numbers on the other. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, reverse the sign. If you forget rule number 3, that is, when you multiply or divide by a negative number, reverse the sign. If you forget this rule, children, marks will be lost even if your steps are correct. So, I will be solving these problems section by section. So, from section A, the first question is 5x minus 3 lesser than or equal to 2x plus 12. As I am telling you, children, start working the problem. I will give you a screenshot also, but you also practice and try to solve it without seeing it. So let us proceed. 5x minus 2x lesser than or equal to, after solving and putting the variables in one side and numbers at one side, it becomes 5x minus 2x lesser than or equal to 12 plus 3. Now 5 minus 2x is 3x. Lesser than or equal to sign, we are going to put the same. 12 plus 3 is 15. Now, let us solve for x. X is lesser than equal to 15 divided by 3. Now here, 3 is in the multiplication form. So here when it comes to the right side, it changes to division. So 3 ones are 3 fives are. The answer is 5. X lesser than or equal to 5. And to represent this on a number line, we should shade all values less than or equal to 5. On the number line, we should shade all values less than or equal to 5. Now let us begin with section B, fractional inequation. This is very important exam trap type of question. Now let us proceed to section B, 5 minus 3x divided by 4 greater than or equal to 2x plus 7 divided by 6. Fractions. With this, what do you understand, children? So we take LCM of 4 and 6, which is 12. 5 minus 3x divided by 4 greater than or equal to 2x plus 7 divided by 6. Now we'll take the LCM of 4 and 6. After finding out the LCM, the answer is 12. So you will be multiplying 3 with 5 minus 3x and putting the symbol greater than or equal to 2 into 2x plus 7. Since we have got the LCM as 12, so we will be multiplying 3 with 4 and 6 with 12. Now, after multiplying, you will get the answer 3 5s are 15 minus 3 3s are 9x. 3 into 3x is 9x. Greater than or equal to 2 into 2x is 4x plus 2 7s is 14. Bring x terms together. Minus 9x minus 4x greater than or equal to 14 minus 15. So, add and put the same sign, you know the rule, no children. So, it becomes 19x minus 4x, you will be getting 13x. So, it is minus 13x. 14 minus 15 is minus 1. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So, x is, since it is a negative integer, sign changes here. So, it becomes x lesser than or equal to 1 by 13. Very important, we are dividing by minus 13. You have to remember this. A negative number, so reverse the sign. You have to remember this, children. So be very careful with this working. Children, if your steps are also correct, but if you don't reverse the sign, you will not get full marks. Moving forward, let us begin with section C, which is a bracket plus fraction based question. That is 3 into x plus 2 divided by 5 minus 2 into x minus 1 divided by 3 lesser than 4. Now the first step for this sum is you have to take out the LCM for this sum. Since the denominators are 5 and 3, we have to take out the LCM. So LCM is 15. One more thing you have to remember here, children, is that whenever you multiply an inequation by the LCM, you must multiply right side also. That is LCM into both sides, and no term is skipped in this equation. Step 2 is multiplying each term by 15. That is 15 into 3 into x plus 2 minus 15 into 2 into x minus 1 is lesser than 4. You have to multiply the LCM, that is 15, to both the sides of the inequation. 15 into 3 into x plus 2 divided by 5 minus 15 into 2 x minus 1 divided by 3 lesser than 4 into 15. Both the sides we are multiplying it by 15. So here after doing the division, it is 5 ones and 5 threes are 3 into x plus 2 minus 3 ones and 3 fives are 5 into 2 x minus 1 lesser than 4 into 15. So 3 into 3 x plus 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 2 into x minus 1 lesser than 60. So 3 threes are is 9. 9 into x plus 2 minus 5 twos are is 10 minus 10 into x minus 1 less than 60. So 9x is 9 into x is 9x plus 2 nines are is 18. Minus 10 into x is minus 10x. Minus into minus is plus. 10 ones are is 10 less than 60. So 9x minus 10x. We are going to arrange the x terms to one side first, and then the constants after the x terms. So 9x minus 10x plus 18 plus 10 less than 60. So 9x minus 10x, that is minus x, plus 18 plus 10 is plus 28 less than 60. Minus x less than 60 minus 28 is minus x less than 32. So to find out for the value for x, we are going to first reverse the sign from lesser than to greater than, and the minus sign also we are going to put it on the right side. So x is greater than minus 32 is the final answer. This is a simple problem, children, but little tricky. Follow the steps so that you can solve the problem easily. Now moving forward to section D, this is a confidence building problem. So question is 7 minus x divided by 2 lesser than 3x plus 5 divided by 4. Since it is a fraction, we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Now we have to multiply 2 with 7 minus x and 3x plus 5 will be multiplied by 1, since the denominator is 4 over there. So here it is 2, so we are going to multiply it by 2 to make it equal. So it becomes 2 into 7 minus x lesser than 3x plus 5, that is multiplied by 1, you are going to get the same number. So 2 sevens is 14 minus 2 into x is 2x lesser than 3x plus 5. 14 minus 2x lesser than 3x plus 5. Now we are going to put all the x terms in one side. To minus 2x minus 3x plus 3x will become minus 3x when it comes to the left, and plus 5 is going to remain there only. When 14 comes to the right side, it becomes minus 14. So minus 2x minus 3x will become minus 5x, and less than plus 5x minus 14x, subtract and put a bigger number sign, it becomes minus 9. So minus minus gets cancelled. Since it is a negative term, reverse the sign since it is a negative term. X is lesser than 9 divided by 5. Board examiners love such questions. This is an assertion and integer based question. 5x minus 1 divided by 2 lesser than 4. 5x minus 1 lesser than 2 into 4. That is, we have taken the LCM and we have got the answer 2 in that. So 2 will be divided by 1, so you will get the same, and 1 will be multiplied by 2 to get 2. So we will be multiplying 2 with 4. 5x minus 1 multiplied by 1 lesser than 2 multiplied by 4. 1 into 5x is 5x minus 1 into 1 is 1. Lesser than 2 4 is 8. 5x lesser than 8 plus 1, that is 8, will be added with minus 1. When it comes to the right, it changes to plus 1. So it becomes 9. So x is lesser than 9 by 5. Here we will not reverse the sign since the term is not a negative one. Integer solution, we have to represent the answer in integers. So here children get stuck. They have a doubt how they got this answer. X is equal to 0, 1. So we have done the division. 9 divided by 5. We get the answer in decimal. When asked for integers, fractions are not allowed. Many students have doubts in writing the integer solution. Given inequation is x lesser than 9 by 5. Step 1. Convert the fraction into decimal. 9 by 5, 9 divided by 5 is equal to 1.8. So the inequation becomes 8 lesser than 1.8. Now we understood what integer solution means. Integers are whole numbers like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Integers are whole numbers. Fractions like 1 by 5, 1 by 8, that type of answer is wrong. Decimal 1.5 and 1.8, 7.3, this is also wrong. These are not allowed to write when the answer is asked in integers. Choose integers less than 1.8. Now list integers smaller than 1.8. Smaller than 1.8 are minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1 and 2. So till 2 we are not going to consider. We are taking only till 1. So mathematically the integer solution are minus 1, 0 and 1. So why do we often write only 0 and 1 in exams? This depends on how the question is framed. Case 1, if the question says find the integer solution, then the correct answer is x is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1 when it asks for integer solution. Case 2, if the question says find the non-negative integer solution. Non-negative if they are asking you. Negative integers are not allowed. X is equal to 0 and 1. Case 3. If question says find the smallest integer or write suitable integer, we usually write x is equal to 0 and 1. In case board pattern, teachers often expect non-negative integer unless stated. Otherwise, especially in short answers question, board exam safe way. Very important, children. To avoid confusion and secure full marks, write like this. Since x is lesser than fraction n by 5 is equal to 1.8, the integer solutions are x is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. If non-negative integers are required, you have to remove the negative integers from there and only write 0, 1. These are the most important final exam tips, children. Before I end, remember, always draw the number line, always write solution set, never forget sign reversal. If you practice these worksheets properly, 100% 3 or 4 marks are guaranteed in ICSE maths. Hope this video was helpful and stay tuned till the next video for board level tough problems. Do like, follow and subscribe the channel. Eat healthy, stay healthy and have a good day. Thanks for watching.